Someone call the cops. Welcome back to another episode of our Lamborghini Urus Chevy Tahoe body swap.
If you don't know about this project, we got a crashed Lamborghini Urus a few months ago. We used the engine and trans for another project and we were left with a bare shell. So we decided to do something fun with it. We bought this Chevy Tahoe and stuck some twin turbos on it, and we're gonna cut the body off and make the chassis of the Tahoe to the Urus body.
In the last episode, we cut the roof off of this car, and so on this episode, we're gonna be taking it on a drive because there's nothing more sketchier than doing this.
What are you talking about?
If you don't know, it has twin turbos. The whole body wobbles now when you close the door. Look at this.
Yeah, but his body on frames.
It's just the body then.
It's so funny. Yeah, the whole thing is just wobbling.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And so it's raining now, so look, this is literally the worst weather to take this out in. But
Do we have umbrellas?
actually, I probably need an umbrella for this
We should
camera,
bring
honestly.
umbrellas.
And there's water everywhere. Yeah. Why are you cleaning the?
Well, so I can put my arm here.
Okay.
I'm also just wiping the water off the seats.
I guess that's good.
And there's actually bird shit on this one.
Because it's been parked outside for a while, and so some animals probably live in it right now. So
Adds character to the build.
wait, so where are we going?
Where are we going?
First to the gas station,
Okay.
because I don't want to push this thing.
Yeah,
and
that's
I have
good.
no idea how much gas is in it. So we're gonna go put $5 gas in it.
Hey, you know what's nice about the top being off is when you go to clean the seats,
It's so easy.
It's pre-lubricated.
Aren't we scared of water getting into these
Not
pipes?
while it's running.
Oh, I guess not while it's running.
When
That's
it's
true.
parking, we're gonna get some nice coffee cans we can put on there.
Okay, that's good.
Or we can get tractor flaps maybe.
And this is kind of scientific because we also want to see how fast it has gotten since we've cut off, I think,
Oh yeah.
probably like almost 1,000 pounds
It's
from the
almost
weight.
impossible to get traction now.
Yeah.
It's either that or the tires are so bald.
that also plays a part.
Plus our Chinese turbos offer us no boost and then all the boost.
Okay.
So that might be part of the problem too.
I found an umbrella. This is perfect.
We picked a really good day for this.
I know, this is literally the worst day to do this.
Yeah. Like for the last week, it's been like hot, like super hot here, and then all of a sudden now it's cold as balls.
Now it's even more sketchy than it was.
Oh yeah.
We're looking good here, boys. We're looking good.
Yeah, we're just adding to the sketchiness.
This thing is mint. This might become my new daily driver.
Oh my god! Woo! I am terrified right now. Oh my god.
I like it. I think we should finish it out and keep it.
Wow.
It's actually working.
Define working.
It's not folded up yet.
We got a little tranny slip. Might be low on fluid.
Oh gosh. How's it going back there?
I'm nervous, dude.
We're not on the highway yet, so I don't know.
I know we're gonna break some shit. I hope this isn't the moment.
Yeah.
Why stay in school when you can make $1 million on YouTube?
Exactly.
I hear sirens, man. I hear sirens. What's up?
Did someone call the
Oh,
cops?
thank goodness that's not for us.
Okay, ready?
Oh! Yo! Oh my god!
What do you expect with bald ass tires? We're doing good, but then all of a sudden LSD let go. And it's just, oh, shit.
Wow!
About to lose my umbrella.
Oh my God. Woo! These tires do not exist anymore.
No, they look like balloons.
Yeah. We found out that it's a little bit more faster. It's definitely a lot sketchier, especially in the rain.
Yeah, you definitely need one of these now, dude.
Yeah, you need an umbrella.
And it actually holds up under a little bit of speed.
Yeah, I was actually surprised the thing
60
didn't flip.
kilometers an hour, it actually puts pressure on it instead of wanting to pull.
You got a
so-
good one, man. This one failed on me like instantly.
High-speed umbrella.
Yeah, high-speed umbrella. You can get it on Amazon, $8.
We're canceling the Tahoe project.
No.
Daily, man. This is it. This is probably the best vehicle, most fun vehicle I've ever owned.
Oh my God.
This is my new daily. We're just gonna whip this all summer.
Perfect.
No,
I
that's
thought
not true.
we're chopping. We're cutting.
Nah. No, what's next? We're gonna just
I think we're done. It's time to pull the body.
Sweet.
Time to make a Euro.
What's happening? What are you about to do?
Trimming the ugly off. Real build stuff over here.
I know, right? If you're not bringing out the angle, the cutter.
You don't got this? Yeah. I'm unbuilding right now.
We've switched roles, so I'm gonna.
Straight down, yeah.
How hard can it be?
Easy. It's cake.
We still have lots of cutting left to make to the Urus shell and the Tahoe body, and on the next episode we're going to be cutting the rest of the Tahoe body off and begin test fitting the Urus on the Tahoe chassis. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to see more videos on the Lambo Urus body swap. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.